Welcome to lesson 9, and here we go. First of all, open SolidWorks, the normal procedure. This one will start by following a already set tutorial. We'll be in building models, revolves, and sweeps. It's under building models. But right now we're loading. So click tutorials, your normal, go to building models, and you want revolves and sweeps. Unpin your resources. Oh wait, there. Unpin your resources. Let's begin. First, click New on your normal toolbar and get a part. I'm going to create this as a part. So we want to go to Revolved Boss Base and select the front plane. From here, click line. You can click normally, you don't need anything special. And create a horizontal line. Show a vertical line. And click escape. Add another line horizontally. At the bottom and at the top. Now smart dimension these lines as shown. Oh. Like so. Go to the next. You're out of smart dimension. So now we're going to do an arc. Go into the drop down menu. Select Tangen Arc. Try and get as close to the dimensions shown with a 100-degree radius angle. Now click Smart Dimension. Make the radius 10. Like so. Now click Line. Like so. Sketch a line about 150 millimeters. We're not going to smart dimension it for a reason I'll show you later. Now go to the drop down menu, select 3-point arc. Now you want both the endpoints on the line and an angle 180. Now we're going to click OK. Deselect it and smart dimension it. So you want that to that. This will be 40. And then you want that, which is 20. And you got the angle already, and it's set. We change the radius. We have the length of the arc. Now we're going to trim some entities. Click Trim Entities. Go Trim to Closest. Scroll in. Select the line in between the arc. So it looks like so. Now we're gonna exit out of there. Smart dimension this. Set that to 40. Now, let's go into display, delete relations, and add a relation. And you want to deselect the current. You want to deselect everything. And click your two vertical lines. Now click equal. And that makes both of those vertical lines equal. Click OK. Now go to Tangen Arc, again under the drop-down menu. Create an arc. So, and run to the base. Now we're going to dimension it again. So exit out of Arc, go to Smart Dimension, select, change the radius to 60, and then you want to select there to there, that's 80, so you don't need to worry about it. And then for the bottom one, make that 12.5. Like so. Click OK. And your thing is fully defined. Now click Exit Sketch. And you want to select your axis of revolution, and that's your inner line. With that set, one direction, that's all set. You have 360, click OK. And behold, you have, ta-da! Quickly save it as C-stick. And your last name. And now we're going to create your little finger hold. So we're going to use a sweep. Click the front plane to start. And go to Sketch. Now we want to go normal 2 so we can see it properly. And there you go. Go to Hidden Lines Removed, so you have a better view. Now go to View, Temporary Axes, and select it. Now, select line. Create a 60mm line. And smart dimension it. And then we want to go with Tangen Arc again. It's already set, so you can just click it. create an arc. Okay, now we're going to smart dimension it. First select the two endpoints, set it to 60. Oh wait, 65. And then you want to get your radius, and that's going to be 150. Like so. Now select Tangen Arc again. Create a line going across. This has to have a radius of 20, so smart dimension it. And as another thing, we're going to add another relation to make sure the 2 points are horizontal to each other. And click OK. And now go to Display Delete Relations so you can see each of the relations you've created. Just go through each one and see what they do. Click OK. Go to Next. Now you gotta set the distance between the base and your sweep. So we're gonna go back to Smart Dimension, select the endpoint and the base. Set that to 10. Now click Exit Sketch. Now select the right plane. Go normal 2. Click Sketch. For this we're going to create an ellipse. So click Ellipse along the line, along your temporary axes, right about where you think you need it. Click. Create a radius. And then create the angle. If it's not correct, don't worry about it, we'll just fix it. Exit out. Now you got select, so click Control. Here's a neat little trick. Select both endpoints. Make them horizontal to each other. Click OK. Now we're going to Smart Dimension. Select the 2 points, the 2 vertical points. Make the distance between them 10. And then for the horizontal points, make that distance 35. And click OK. Now go to an isometric view. And then you want to take center point of your line and meet it at the horizontal line, which is already set. In my case, if not, you would select both lines, coincident made them. That's that. Now turn off the temporary axes and exit sketch. Make sure everything's deselected. And now click Swept Boss Based under Features. So for this, select your ellipse, and that's going to become your profile. That's what your loop holder is going to look like. So select that for the profile, and once that's set, select your loop for the path. Under options, make sure it says follow path, and then now click OK. Now go to a full view and save it. You got a finger hold. And now we're going to cut out the top so you can add a candle. So go to Extruded Cut, select the top face, go Normal 2, create a circle. Now it's going to have a diameter of 30, so smart to mention it. Set 30. Now click OK, exit sketch, and now under depth, we're going to have it set to 25. Just do a quick preview, make sure that looks good, and then set the draft angle to 15. Click OK. You can see it has made the cut. Now quickly save, and that's good. Ooh.